Okay, so we're going to have a look at the VMware vCentre infrastructure. So there's two ways that we can view our VMs. One is through the VMware client for Windows that we can get. Many administrators prefer this one because it obviously gets around problems with incompatibility with web browsers. But the other way is obviously from our web interface. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and get logged in here. And I'll let you have a look at the client here. Okay, so with VMware ESXi, we have a number of ESXi cluster nodes which go together to make the overall cluster. So each of the cluster nodes runs a number of VMs. We can see this one is powered on just now. At any given time we can go and we can create a console connection to any of these. We've arranged them into different areas. Management are the highest priority, and then we have a production area that we actually run the VMs. So what we're going to do is start this one up and this one, and hopefully we'll be able to get them to be to connect. Okay, so if you're in the client, then basically you can power it on, such as this, but what we'll do is we'll do it with inside the web browser. So I'm connecting through a remote desktop just now, so please excuse any delay and any drop of connection that there might be. So let's start this one up. So we create a virtual network that we'll connect to. It's 10.200.0 network, and we'll just go ahead and power this one on. This will give us a basic Ubuntu image, and then we'll just pop out the console. Wow, that was quick. Okay, so while that one's booting up, we'll go and take a backtrack image, and we'll power that one up too. So this one's just taking a minute to boot up. Okay, so let's have a look at our other one, and we'll just pop that one out too. There we go. Okay, wow, that one's booted up fast. And there we go, that's us in. Okay, so we've got our Ubuntu network. How are we doing over here? It's getting there. This one will boot up into console mode. Let's try again. So anytime, Control-Alt will get your cursor back again, and we'll just start up our X windows. Control-Alt again, and I'll go back to this one here. Okay, so the first thing we normally do is to make sure that we have an IP address, so we can see here that we have, and we're on this network here. There's the subnet mask, so this is the network we're actually on. So just be sure that you just scan the local network, which is with the 24 mask. Okay, so we'll have a look over here for our backtrack one, and what we'll probably find is there is no IP address allocated. So the first thing to do is to show what interfaces that you have. So we've got Ethernet 4, so what we'll do is we'll get, we have a DHCP client running on this network, so what we'll do is we'll allocate it with an address to the interface, and hopefully we'll be all set up with an IP address. And we are. So this has been allocated 10.200.0.42. this is finished its nmap, so here are the nodes that are on the network. Didn't manage to scan for our new one, but, so we'll just do it again to see if we can contact .42 and do a scan of it. Oh well, it's closed. So it, with that backtrack image, has closed all its ports, which is nice of it. So we'll go over here and we'll do a scan of our Ubuntu image, which should have ports open, hopefully. 24. Okay, so here we go. Right, okay, so there we go. So on that image there, 41 is open. So it looks like it's running a web server there. Let's look at that one again. Yeah, so 41 is running HTTP. That's good. So let's give it a try to see if we can contact its web browser. And there you go. Okay, so that works fine. So we could go and contact. Looks like there's an FTP server running on it.